Good morning, ninth grade. Uh, Tuesday morning, and we are ready for 9.2 in math. And this is a fun lesson. It's just like yesterday's lesson. You're working with square roots, and let me say this is an easy part. 9.2. There, I put the assignment on, and the first one's too easy. Now, you be sure to read your instructions in your book, okay? It says very clearly how to do it. You really wouldn't even need, oh, by the way, I forgot, we should check. Here we go. This is Monday's lesson, 9.1, and here you go. That's the first page. I'll give you the second page. It's a bold letters. You see everything is worked out, and you will only need the bold letters. Here's the third page. Looks like we're going from 27 there. You actually just need the bottom solutions, and maybe that's about all I'll give you. You might want to see some story problems. I forgot about those. On number 37, you're going to want to see story problems on that. Now, I've got the answers for lesson 9 right here, so I'll hold my hand there so you can't see that, but at least you can see the story problem answer. How's that suit you? Now, if you got answers off of lesson 2, you're in trouble, because today I'm going to teach you how to do it. Number 1's too easy. Start with number 2. You're working with square roots, and think of them as fractions. That's a good way to think of it. It's not exactly, but if you take 3 and 25, you can take the square root of 3. You can't do anything with them, but you can simplify the 25. So take the radicand off both of them and just put it on the 3, and then square the 25, which is 5. So you have 3 with the sign, radicand sign, and 5 on the bottom. Number 4 is a little bit more complicated, but not really. You have 4, 21, 3. So you both have these are both in the radicand sign, so you can reduce. 3 are going into 21 7 times, right? Okay, so just simply get rid of that there. This is a 3 over 21 like a fraction. It'll go 7 times, so that gets rid of this one, and you still have your 4 outside. You can't do anything with him. The way it comes out, the 7 is not squared, so you can't square the 7. If this would have been a 9, we could have squared the 9 and worked it from there. So let me just use this for an example. If we would have had a 9 here, this would have been 9, and that would have been answer 3. So the way you could have combined the 3 and the 4, you remember how you would just simply times those together. 3 times 4, and your answer would have been 12. We don't have that, so that was just an illustration. Number 7, I went 2, 4, now 7. This is what the problem should look like: 2 outside, 7 inside, 28. Here again, you can use your fraction. You can make this a fraction, but it happens to be that it's working the other way than from this one. You don't come up with a whole number, you come up with a fraction. 7 over 28 would be 1/4. Okay, so you can't do anything with your 2, so you let your 2 outside your box. You have your 1/4 here, and when I was doing the lesson, I thought, oh, I'm done. 2 was 1/4. No, that's not right. You know what the square of 1 is? 1. You know what the square of 4 is? 2. Now we squared this one, so now we've got rid of the radicand sign, and when we come down, we've got 2 over 1/2. Now, I got my hand on the answer, and I'm going to tell you the answer, but I want you to look back here and look at this number. Do you think that this number would anywhere near equal 1? Well, we just got done saying that 2's here, and we squared 1/4, which made us 1/2. So I brought the 1/2 here, and so you think 2.5. Oh no, you see this parentheses? They're separate. So it's like the half's inside, the 2's outside. You multiply them together. 2 times 1/2 equals 1. The answer for number 7 is 1. Woo! When you look at this problem, you never think it come down to 1, but you can. You can reduce it down. Oh, I'm not sure if I should reduce it. You can square it down. There we go. That was the word. Square it down to 1. Number 5. They keep getting bigger. You know how that works. They start you out little, and then they keep getting you bigger problems. So, number 9, the last one. There, you can subtract these guys. See here, there's a subtraction problem here. Don't think of this as negative 8, but the problem is 5 square root 28, subtract 8 square root 63 with the 7 on the bottom. So I worked with the 7 and the 28, and that will go in there 4 times. So I just put my 5 down here and put the 4 inside. So I did the 7 here again, that'll go in there 9 times. So that made me, I left my 8 outside, and I could put my 9 inside. So okay, what I've done, I've reduced this fraction. I've got rid of the bottom part because it was smaller. So I completely eliminated. Now I'm down to this problem right here. 5 square root 4, negative 8 square root 9. Now here you can get the square root 4, that's 2. So I put both of these in parentheses, 5 and 2. You can, got the 8 here, you can get rid of the 9. The square of that is 3. Okay, so now 2 times 5 makes you 10. 3 times 8 makes you 24. That's not hard. 10 from 24 makes you, whoops, which way are you going? 24 from 10. Watch it. They'll get you. 24 from 10 leaves you with negative 14. Okay? Don't put 14 down. Negative 14. Yeah, I'll let you do the rest of them. If you have any questions, call me. And yeah, hope you enjoy the lesson.